everyone, welcome back, and welcome to 2017. Not that's gone. 2018, you mean? Oh, right. Anyway, today we're gonna be reacting to a trailer. This is our first episode, and I hope you guys enjoy. Basically, doing some vlogs and reacting to new stuff, and I hope you guys like and enjoy. And make sure you subscribe to Christian's channel. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's do this. So where is it? Okay, I wonder what we're gonna be reacting to. Ooh, I've been wanting to see this movie. This one? Yeah, Pacific Rim Uprising. Oh, the new one. Okay, let's do this then. What the heck's going on? How'd she survive that fire? Wait and see, Capper. Whoa. Is that Transformer? No, I don't think so. It's Pacific Rim. Okay.
We were born into a world at war. Between the monsters,
What the heck is that? Like a little monster, something you expect to see from Avatar or something.
to stop them. We thought we
Yeah,
had sacrificed enough.
those robots are cool, I guess. Yeah.
But the war we thought we finished is just beginning.
Whoa.
And the only thing standing in front of the apocalypse
The graphics on the monsters and stuff looks cool. Whoa. Whoa, that was awesome. Did you see that? Yeah, it was cool.
who believed in you and who didn't.
A new generation.
This is our time. This is
I
our
like the
chance
music.
to make a difference.
Pretty edgy. We rise up.
Now let's get it done. That's what I'm talking about.
I think he's happy. Wow. This looks cool. I can't wait to see this. He totally dodged the attack. That was cool.
They've evolved. And they can wipe out all life.
Whoa, a little chainsaw.
I think I could get used to this.
Yep.
There's something you need to see.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. What is that? That's huge. I didn't think that.
Well, he's pretty big.
Yes! Let's go. This is gonna be so cool. Can't wait to see it. Let's do this.
By everything you got.
I could tell I'm gonna like that guy. Wow. Pacific Rim Uprising. That's gonna be awesome. Totally. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. So bye now. Bye. Love you guys.